The lower fence is a riser between the fence base and the upper fence. It can be slid back and forth slightly, so it can be moved out of the way when making a compound cut. If the fence isn't moved, it might be cut by the blade. It can also be damaged by a severe kickback or something striking the saw. Replacing the lower fence is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the left side upper fence. Now I'll remove the lower fence. I'll unscrew the knob and loosen the set screw on the other side. With the knob and screw loosened, I can go ahead and remove the fence. Now I can install the new lower fence. I'll place it onto the guide fence, tighten up the lock knob, and now I need to tune the set screw. I'll start by tightening the screw as far as it'll go. Then I'll loosen the knob and back the screw off a quarter turn at a time until the fence can move in and out easily. Now I'll reinstall the upper fence. And that's how easy it is to replace the lower fence on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.